How to remove phone number on Facebook. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove phone number on Facebook. The first step is to open or launch the Facebook mobile app, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see posts that have been shared. From there, proceed and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu section of your account. On this page, you will find sections and shortcuts that can take you to different pages of the app. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, tap this option named Settings and Privacy. The section expands to reveal more options as you can see here. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Settings. This is the settings page of Facebook. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From them, make sure you tap this one here named Account Center. On the Account Center, you can manage all your accounts in one place. So go ahead and tap on this option here named Personal Details. On this page, there are several sections or settings that you can use to manage your account settings. From them, make sure you tap this one named Contact Info. You will land on this page where you will see the different contact details that you have added to your account. Next, go ahead and tap on the phone number that you want to remove. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, you will land on this page where you will see different options. From them, make sure you tap on this one here named Delete Number. After that, a pop-up page appears. Facebook is telling you that you'll no longer be able to use this number to log in, reset your password, or receive notifications. Please note that you may not be able to delete this number from accounts where it is the only contact method. So if you are sure about the action you want to take, then go ahead and confirm your action by tapping here. The phone number will then be removed from your Facebook account. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand and find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to remove phone number on Facebook.